Alright, so here's a house at the end of my father-in-law's street. Looks like they got water just about up to the center of their house. There's a tree that's down from some of the high wind the other day. This is probably the lowest part in the neighborhood, and there's a bridge you can normally walk on up to the bridge. That road's covered there. Pretty serious. Wow. Here's Jim Street. I may not even be able to drive down it. Yeah, wow. Completely covered. These are the drainage ditches you see on the right and left. Normally, 4 feet deep. There's Jim's house. Let's see how he's doing. Yeah, here's Jim's house, my father-in-law's house. There's the water up to the... Holy crap. Here's my brother-in-law's house, Jason. You can hear he's got a pump going. He converted his four-wheeler into a water pump. Isn't that clever? Alright, over and out. Neighborhood report.